Hey park hoppers, Tofee here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will talk about the TDS big anniversary, and that is Sparkling Jubilee. Tokyo Disney Sea is going to have a 25th anniversary this year from April, and I will talk about it in this video. So first up, description. This anniversary event will revolve around the signature color Jubilee Blue, inspired by the beauty of the seas. From decorations across the park to sparkling lights moments, the anniversary color will enhance the festive atmosphere for sparkling year of celebration. So the Jubilee Blue is this color, kind of a turquoise color, and this is so cute, and it feels like anniversary feelings. And I feel like this is the best color to have the anniversary at Tokyo Disney Sea. Okay, so I will talk about how to join the celebration. First up, we are going to have Jubilee stickers. You can get these from the cast members, and these are free. So the cast members will write some message for you on these stickers, and you can stick them on your clothes and join the celebration around the park. And next up, we're going to have Jubilee badges. As you can see here, there are many kinds of badges. So I will talk about this in a different video, but you can buy this badge and then this flag kind of thing with characters on it, and these chains and some straps to hang it from your bags. And then you can get a leaflet from the cast members too. There used to be a thing or leaflet called Today before COVID, and it feels like that came back to Disney, and I love that. And there's going to be a flag for each area. So Mediterranean Harbor, American Waterfront, for Discovery, Mysterious Island, Fantasy Springs, Arabian Coast. Every area will have a specific flag for the anniversary. Okay, next up, let's talk about entertainment. First up, we're going to have Sparkling Jubilee celebration. The photos are coming soon. It's still not on the internet, but there's going to be a hover show with Disney characters. So Mickey and Friends, the film Friends, and I don't know, maybe Peter Pan, Frozen, and that's going to be the main entertainment for the event. And there's going to be dancers too on stages, which is so surprising to me because there weren't any dancers on the land since COVID, so it feels nice to have dancers back again. And next up, Dance the Globe. It actually started from January this year. I already watched it, and that's amazing. Like, the dancers' outfits are so cool. Like, I love Mickey's costume, and there's Rapunzel, Chip and Dale there, she's singing Hakuna Matata, and Goofy here too, and there's Mirabel from Enchanto, and Hero from Big Hero 6, and Sparkling Jubilee Night. There's going to be a projection mapping event at Hotel Miracosta, and if you watch the show Believe, you know that there is a lighting at the building of Miracosta. It's going to be that. It's going to be a 5 minutes long show with the theme song for Sparkling Jubilee. Next up, decoration. Here's the concept art for the decorations. I love how these are all sparkly. Like, I love this decoration. Like, Minnie's ribbon is so stunning, and the stars, and it's going to light up at night. And the next thing I'm going to talk about is merch. Of course, we're going to have a lot of merch. I think it's going to be over 90 merch. Of course, I can buy it all, but let me introduce some of them. They're going to be piles and holders with the concept art, stickers, sticky notes, and postcards. and the Jubilee badge I said earlier, and a different design goods. You can use this for daily life, which is so cool. And we're going to have capsule toys, as you can see here. You can get this bag with today, the one I said earlier. I think this is the, I don't know, chocolate crunch box, I think, and keychains. That's so cute, I love it. And maybe this is like the popcorn box, maybe. And then we're going to have Jubilee Brew memories. I'm so excited to buy this one. This has a story which I think you should totally read. And you buy this bottle, put this jewelry in here, and get this chain with you. And you can buy this at Remembrance, which is the Mediterranean harbor near, I don't know, there anything near Remembrance, but it's going to be decorated like this. And you need to buy the Jubilee Brew memory to enter this shop. Okay, next up, food, which everyone loves. Okay, so first up, we have Jubilee Brew macaron. I know this doesn't look like food, but I guess I gotta try it. We have this Jubilee Brew and dough with cream in it, and I actually love the wrapping because of the silhouettes of Mickey and Minnie. That's stunning. And you will buy it here. It's not open yet. It's going to open at I think April 8th or was it 15th? Never mind. It's going to be next to the American Waterfront stage, and That's the Grove is performed right here at this stage from the Tower of Terror. So you can actually hear people in Tower of Terror screaming during the performance, which is so weird, but funny, you know. And lastly, characters. Mickey and Friends and Daffy and Friends are going to have special costumes during this event. So here's the costume. First up, Mickey. Of course, he's the legend. I love the tie and how it's sparkling and like the gradient. So cute. And Minnie, the ball is so cute. Like it has this aurora kind of color. It looks like a little crumpled. I don't know how to describe this, but looks like an aluminum foil in a good way. She has the same ball on her shoe, which is so cute, and I love the pink of it. And then Donald. He has this green kind of color with matching hat with Mickey, and here's Davy. The bow that matches with Minnie. And Donald and Daisy have the same shade of green. I think Daisy's green is more lighter, but they are so cute. Now here's Pretzel. It's getting ready for the party too with the sparkling name tag. And Goofy. I just love the hat. And I love the tie. Like I love how everyone's costumes are alike but different in many places. Like I love how this is turning into a green from the bro. And Chip and Dale. They are almost the same, but they have different ties and bows, and they have hats on opposite sides, which is so cute. I want to take photos of them when I go to the sea. And finally, Cherry May and Duffy. They are adorable. Okay, Cherry May has the same ribbon, but it has kind of like a polka dot, which is so cute. And then this kind of salmon pink dress. And Duffy has this hat. I don't know how to describe this, but it's so cute with a pom-pom on it. And then this purple tie. It's so cute. Like imagine Mickey is holding a plushie of Duffy in this costume. Like that would be so cute. So here are all the things for Sparkling Jubilee. I'm so excited and I can't wait for the event to start. And Dance the Girl will have a different program once the event starts. So I want to watch that one more time. Okay then, let's have a Sparkling Jubilee time together. Thanks for watching.